Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm super excited because today I received my Ipsy PR bag. So I have the Ipsy Glam bag, oops, I'm showing you the back of it, and Ipsy Plus. And I love the bags. They totally go with spooky season, perfect for October. And let me show you, there's this cute lipstick too for the zipper. I am obsessed. So super grateful that I get Ipsy and PR. I also pay for it, so stay tuned for my paid bags. I don't have an affiliate link or anything, so the link I leave down below will be the referral link if you're interested in joining. It's the same that everyone gets if they are an Ipsy member. Oh, my phone's ringing. Oh, I can just end it on my iWatch. Sorry if I'm a little slow. I had a lot of fun last night. If you guys watched my video yesterday, I have not had a chance to look at comments or anything, but thank you if you watched it. I mentioned at the end that I was playing trivia and we won, so it was a good time. Super proud of me and Anna. We did awesome. So yeah, if I seem a little off. I had a lot of fun last night. But anyways, in the PR bags we get a little extra and I'm so psyched. So we got this silk like gold scarf. It says Ipsy in one of the corners, so I feel like I bring this up all the time now, but I practice tarot. I read tarot cards, and I am going to use this for one of my decks and to do spreads on. I love it, and you can use this however you want, but super excited about that. Thank you, Ipsy. And I'm not positive that all the items came in the Ipsy Plus or the Ipsy Glam bag. I usually get like 1 or 2 extra items, so just putting it out there. But let's get started. So Ipsy Glam bag, the regular size is $12. You get at least $50 in value. My most recommended beauty box and beauty subscription if you are just getting started, especially because you get some full-size items. It's totally worth it, $12. So if you have it in your budget, you want to try out subscriptions, beauties, and like specifically, I definitely recommend it. For all the Ipsy subscriptions, you fill out a profile. So if you like skincare more or makeup more, hopefully they will fit it to your liking. And then the Ipsy Plus is $25. These are both monthly. So let's get started. I did my best to try all of the items. I think I tried like all but like one today. So I have first impressions to share too. It's harder to really give a full first impression on skincare, but makeup. Let's start with what I have on my face from the Glam bag, or what I think is from the Glam bag. I have like 6 items here. So let's start off with what I used in order. So I have an eye primer here. A while ago, I probably wouldn't get excited about eye primers, but I actually use them all the time when I use powder eyeshadows. So this is by M2U NYC eye primer, and it is in the shade Nude. So it has a little bit of pigment, but it's not like the same as using a concealer or anything like that. Oops, you can already see a spoiler of what's coming. So maybe you can see that. So I use it as my base. And so far, so good. Again, just first impressions today. I'll let you know if I have any thoughts that stood out. And then I use this little palette, which I have here on my hands. I'll show you the swatches since I already kind of showed you. So this is by Cella, and they teamed up with Vela Beauty, and the palette's Hello Beautiful. So I use all of these shades on my eyes. I also use one other product that'll be in the Plus on my eyes as well, and I think this is a beautiful palette. I've tried their palettes before, and I like these little minis. I was thinking I might bring this and like another small palette with me to Spain, because I have to start packing soon, you guys. That's like in like 8 days or something. I'm super psyched. And I think it's really pretty. They perform well. I just did this really easily, this look. I like little palettes because you don't have to think too much. The color story's right there for you. And then I got a lip gloss, which I really like because it's a pigmented lip gloss. It's a light nude-ish color, like pink nude. And I've never tried this brand, but I like it so far. Rinna Beauty, and this is their lip gloss in Guilty Pleasure. So here we go, the tube. It says Rinna Beauty right there. I like it. And it's comfortable. It's a little bit thick, but it's not, it doesn't like move around, which is nice because, you know, some glosses do that. So you can see that pigment there with some shine. It's not sticky. It has all the qualities I like in a gloss. So awesome. And then I tried 2 of the 3 items. The one I didn't try is a shampoo. I didn't shampoo my hair today, I did yesterday. And this is by Away, or just Way. It's by Way. Detox Shampoo. And I'm really excited because I think all their hair products smell so good and work really good. So and this says apple cider vinegar, so I didn't read that at first. I guess that makes sense with the detox. I'll take the little safety seal thing off so I can smell it. It still smells like they're normal, I think. but with a little apple cider. It smells good still. Phew. Something I don't really love the smell of apple cider vinegar, I don't think. It smelled good to me though, so awesome. I didn't catch it at first. So that was great. The next item, this is by Theory Body Detoxifying Charcoal Body Scrub. So I was using this in the shower. It was a mild scrub. It just worked well. I was like, okay, yeah, it's a good scrub, like nothing special or whatever. But then when I got out, I didn't put any lotion on my legs, and they feel really soft and moisturizing, like not dry at all. 'Cause sometimes when you exfoliate or something, I don't know, your skin may feel like a little bit tighter, like, or more dry. But this is made with some oils in it, I read afterwards. It's made with Binchotan, white charcoal, argan oil, and marula oil. So it exfoliates and moisturizes. I mean, I might still put lotion on after because I like to moisturize my skin every day. I feel like moisturizing is the like fountain of youth, or like life hack, but I don't really have to. So I'm excited about this. And I don't like certain scrubs that are too abrasive. This one isn't. I think this would be okay for like daily use or like using a few times a week. I personally usually like using them when I shave my legs. I didn't say I just used it anyways, and it was good. And the last thing, I was excited about this. I'm always excited to try Tatcha products. This is their Dewy Skin Cream, and I think this one is the one for dry skin. Is it the same? I don't know. I thought this was different than what I've tried in the past. I couldn't really notice the scent. I feel like something's off with my scent. Probably because the allergies I've been having. But the Replenishing Japanese Purple Rice for dry skin. I used this today. My skin is not particularly dry. It was just like normal. Especially since I moved to Florida, kind of like evened out. It was like combination normal dry before in Chicago, but now I feel like it helped my hair and my skin when I moved. But it definitely is really thick and worked really well. Because I used a serum in the Ipsy Plus. How about we just transition to that bag? I'll talk about that next. And it's a vitamin C serum, which I keep saying I want to incorporate vitamin C into my skincare routine again, because I've just been using the same things, trying to use them up before I open new items. Today's the first video in a while I've like actually tried all the items, because normally I'm like, I don't want to waste anything, I want to give them away. But I'm like, you know what, I'm going to try things out today. So this is by Buddha, I like their name, their vitamin C serum. And when I used this before the moisturizer, of course, it, like any other like good quality vitamin C serum I've used, like, you know, I always let everything sit for a little bit, but it still kind of like felt tacky, you know. But then after I waited for this to absorb a few minutes, it says 1 minute on here, I used this Dewy Skin Cream and that feeling went away. And actually that feeling of tackiness probably wouldn't be that bad if you're wearing makeup, but I don't know, I just didn't like it, but I'm trying not to touch my face anyway, so it wouldn't be a huge deal anyways, but I just thought I'd share that in case that affects you. But yeah, so this is supposed to brighten your skin, provide antioxidants. I used to swear by using vitamin C, and I felt like it really improved the overall look of it, so I'm excited to start using this every day. It says apply 4 to 5 drops to freshly cleanse and dry skin, get a more radiant and smoother complexion. So they have a proprietary mix of retexturizing vitamin C. So it's supposed to help with texture and the appearance of dark spots, which I don't really have. But yeah, I'm excited to start using this. I'll have to give you an update if you guys are interested. And now let's move on to the last items in here. So I tried 3 more items, like all but one that's in there. So I was excited to see a Murad product, and this is an eye cream. I need to start being better about using eye creams. I guess I don't have to, sorry. It wants to focus on my face and not the products. So this has both peptides and retinol in it. So peptides I've just loved. They're really good for moisturizing your skin, anti-aging properties, and then obviously retinol helps with that as well. So I think this will be great. I like the pump of it. Murad's pretty expensive, so I'm always happy to get it in subscription boxes. And this is my reminder to start using eye cream every day and see if it makes a difference or not. Because I've heard from like mixed things, like some dermatologists say just use your regular moisturizer. But like a lot of my moisturizers are just like hydrating, they don't have like other things in them. So I'm like, well, maybe this will make a difference. I don't know, we'll see. And then I mentioned that I put a little something else in my eyes, and this is by Jekka Blay? Am I saying that right? Jekka Blay Gold Touch Shimmer Finish. I think they call this like a play pot or something. So you could use this, it says, on your eyes, face, as like a highlighter or whatever, and your lips even, if you want a little gold touch, especially this spooky season maybe. So this is beautiful, and I think this would make a great highlight on those with a deeper skin tone, or whoever, you know, there's no rules in makeup. If you like the gold look. For some reason I just thought of like a toga like look, I don't know, like Greek goddess for Halloween. That just came to my head. I'm like, maybe I do hate that on my face. I don't know why. Or like collarbone or something. I never do that collarbone stuff. I always feel like beauty YouTubers always like talking about that. So I just dabbed a little bit of this after I used all 4 of these shades on my lid. Did I even really talk about that? I don't know, but I used all of the shades. And then I just dabbed a little bit of this, and I felt like it kind of warmed up the colors a little bit, worked well. I think I'm gonna bring this to Spain too, and maybe just use it as a quick eye look. Like I know I'm not gonna want to spend all this time on my makeup. I'm busy. My dad sent me the itinerary today, and I'm so excited about it. Yes. I want to film there, but I don't know. I'll probably just bring my phone. I don't think I'm gonna bring my Canon camera. It's not really like travel friendly. Like I wish I could just go out and spend money on a vlog camera right now, but that's just not realistic. But anyways, let's move on. So here is a mascara by Il Makiage, and I feel like I've gotten this recently, but I gave it away or something. And I've used it in the distant past, and I remember liking it, I think, and I kind of forgot I even used it in the past until I opened it up. This is Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara, and I do like this. I don't need like super thick long lashes because I don't have them anyways. You know, I feel like you kind of have to have natural ones to get that. But I like the like synthetic bristle brush head. It's how it's like kind of dome shaped like that. It's not messy. You know, sometimes when you get a new mascara, it like gets all over your lids. So if you like clumpy, like thick mascaras, I don't know if you'll like this one, but I think if you like more natural look, or you want to build it up, or maybe you're one of those people that like pairs their mascaras with others, you'll like this. I think it does like give a little, I would say it's more lengthening, I don't know, than volume, but I'm not a mascara expert because I've really only used like one mascara that's Thrive Cosmetics for years, it seems like. Maybe not that long, but like a long time until recently when I ran out of it. I've been trying other kinds, so I'm not like the best to speak on mascaras, if that makes sense. So if you guys have tried this, will you leave a comment down below? If you tried anything, please let us know in the comments your experiences. That's really helpful, and I appreciate it. I appreciate all of you, by the way. You guys are the best. And the last item, this is another one I think I received in the distant past, in some box. You know, I get some money, I don't remember. And I didn't try it, and I really wanted to. I think I ended up selling it or putting it in giveaway. Like, I can't remember these things because I get so much stuff, but I really wanted this, but I had all these things open. This is by Dermalect, and it's their Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum. I just like the name of that. We like, you know, anything that helps you have higher self-esteem, which having good skin like really helps. Like a bad skin day can really like, you know, mess with your head, and that's sad. But so there's just a bunch of nice things in it. So you wear it overnight. It's potent yet gentle. So yeah, why did I like this? So it has glycolic acid and salicylic acid, so it can help with like aging issues and acne issues. I do this because I have both. No fair. And then also ascorbic acid, so it has some vitamin C in it as well. So it revitalizes dull-looking skin, focuses on fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores. Check, check, check. Great for age spots and uneven skin tone, multitasking. So you can use it on your décolleté as well, which you can really use anything there unless it's like super strong. This is gentle yet effective apparently. So I'm excited to try this out, and I feel like this is a pricier item. So I love getting stuff like that in subscription boxes. It's one of the many reasons why I love them, because I would never splurge on certain things myself, but like now that I've tried them, I'm like hooked on like bougie skincare and stuff like that, especially skincare. Like makeup, I can find like cheaper things with skincare. Sometimes, not always, like Skin 111 or whatever. Come on, that price tag's never justified in my mind. But like, you know, sometimes, like usually I feel like sometimes get what you pay for with skincare, but there's like an up ceiling. I would love to know your thoughts down below on that. But anyways, that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below if you're interested, and subscribe to Ipsy. Of course, the link is there. And yeah, I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. I know I say that all the time. I'm a cheesy bitch, but I love you guys. I hope you're all safe and healthy, and I will see you super soon. Bye.